Hi and welcome, I am here today with HTC Desire 20 Plus and I'll be showing you how to get an iOS control center. So first we have to go to the Google Play Store and look for iOS control center. Control center iOS 14, install, wait for it to install and then open it. Let me just adjust the volume because there are going to be several advertisements. Allow this application to be displayed over other applications. Now go back. Let me just adjust the volume. Okay, now swipe right and in the end tap on this button in the bottom right corner. It's going to be hard to press. Okay, now skip the advertisements. Okay, and now it's hard to spot, but on the right side there's a little blue bar. If we touch it and move it to the left, we just have to give another permissions to the application. Sure, allow modifying system settings. Okay, and now if you try to open it, as you can see, we get this neat looking iOS control center. And that's basically everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.